Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Now let's continue our previous topic, construction of triangles. In today's session, I'll teach you how to construct different triangles. As you all know that in a triangle there are 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. So to construct any triangle, at least 3 elements must be given. So, on the basis of these 3 elements, different triangle constructions are SSS when all the 3 sides of a triangle are given, SAS when 2 sides and their included angle is given, ASA when 2 angles and their included side is given, and the fourth one is RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. When these things are given, then how to construct the triangle. Today in this session we will discuss about SSS and SAS triangle construction criteria. Now let's move to the first question. Construct triangle ABC in which AB 7 cm, AC is 6 cm and BC is given 9 cm. After construction we have to measure angle A, B and C also. So as you can see here, all the 3 sides are given. So this is SSS construction. So out of these 3 sides you can take any one of the sides as base. So here I am going to take AB as base, that is 7 cm. So just mark 2 dots and label them as AB after joining. The segment that we get is 7 cm. Since we have to construct means we have to use the compass. Okay. So now the second side is AC 6 cm. Among AB and AC, since A is common, so we'll put the pin of our compass at point A, and before that open your compass 6 cm. So this is the way to open the compass 6 cm. Just put the pin of your compass in front of 6 and open it up to 0, or you can do in this way also. Put the pin of your compass in front of 0, then open your compass up to 6 cm. Since we have to take point A as center, so put the pin over here and mark an convenient arc of the circle over here. Okay. Then BC is given 9 cm. BC, B point is here. So now we'll take this point as center. Before that open your compass 9 cm. Since the measurement is given 9, so it should be 9, right? Put the pin over here, then intersect the previous arc. Now you can erase rest of the part of the previous arc as that is not required. Now make a hole at the point of intersection of these 2 arcs like this. Now join all these 2 points along with this point of intersection from point A to this. Just join it. Now join B with this point. So this. Now it's AB. What is the name of this point? This is point C. And what is the measurement of these segments? This is 9 cm and AC was 6 cm. So right here 6 cm. So this is the triangle construction. Now we have to measure angle A, B and C. For that you have to use your protractor. So measure this angle A. Its measure is As you can see over here, it's 100 and this is 86. Okay, so this angle measure 86, right over here 86. Next is, now put the protractor at point B and measure the angle. This angle measure, as you can see, 0 to this, it is 42. So measure of this angle is 42. Now, as you are already aware about the angle sum property, according to that the sum of three angles should be 180 degree. Now, what is the sum of these two angles? It's 86 plus 42, 128. So what should be the measurement of the third angle? 180 minus 128. It should be 52 degree. So check this. Yes, here it is. As you can see, it's clear. It's 52. So this is the first question. So my second question is again based on SSS construction criteria. Here we have to construct triangle PQR in which PQ is 5.5 cm, QR 6.5 cm and RP is given 5 cm. So again you can take any one of the three sides as base. Now here let's start with QR. It's 6.5. Just mark a dot, first one in front of 0. So it should be 6.5. So here it's 6.5. Since we are taking QR as base, so right over here QR, it's 6.5 centimeter. Now coming to the first side, that is given PQ 5.5 centimeter. So open your compass, 5.5 centimeter. It's 5.5 centimeter. Since it's segment PQ and we have already drawn QR, among PQ and QR, Q is common, so we'll put our compass on Q. Okay, like this. Then mark an convenient arc of the circle over here, like this. Then the third side is given 5 centimeters. So now we have to open the compass 5 centimeter. Since this is the third side, it's 5 and it's RP. There is point R here. So put your compass over here and mark an convenient arc of the circle that will intersect the previous one. Again, make a hole over here at the point of intersection and you can erase the rest of the part of the arc which is not required. Now join Q and R with this point, third, that is point P. Like this, and PQ. Don't forget to write down the measurement of each side along with the, okay, so PQ, that is 5.5 centimeter and PR is 5 centimeter. So this is the triangle construction again on same SSS criteria. Moving to the third question, here we have to construct triangle ABC in which AB is 6 cm, AC 8 cm and angle BAC is 50 degree. And now at last we have to measure the third side. So AB is a side, AC is a side and angle BAC is given. BAC means we have to construct angle 50 degree at A. A is the vertex letter. since AB and AC are given, both are having A as common point. So at A we have to draw an angle of 50 degree. Now any one of these two sides can be taken as base. Here I am taking AC as base, that is 8 centimeter. So here 8 centimeter. Draw the segment AC. This is 8 centimeter. Now at A we have to draw an angle of 50 degree. So with the help of protractor, or you can say D, we have to draw this angle. So 50 degree, since 0 is over here, so 50 degree. Now mark a point over there in front of 50 degree. Then draw a ray passing through this point starting with A. Okay, so this is an angle of 50 degree. Next side is given AB. Since A point is over here, so now we will open our compass 6 centimeter and mark an convenient arc of the circle on this ray. So this is 6 centimeter. So put the pin of your compass at point A and mark an convenient arc of the circle over here. Right? So we have got the point B. Now join B and C to get the required triangle. So this is the triangle, required triangle ABC, in which angle A is 50 degree and the two sides AC is 8 centimeter and AB is 6 centimeter. Now according to question we have to measure the third side. Now with the help of your scale you have to measure this. Put 0 against B and measure the segment. Check the second end. So it is in front of 6.2. So this is 6.2 centimeter. And here you can write separately also that here segment PC is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Now moving to the fourth question. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ is 5.5 centimeter, QR is 6.5 centimeter and angle Q is given 40 degree. Again we have to measure the third side. Here what criteria is to be used? Here we have to use SAS, side, angle, side, because PQ and QR, the common point between these two sides is Q and Q angle is already given. So this is SAS triangle construction. Question number 3 and 4 are related to SAS triangle construction. Here again take any one of the two sides as base. Now here I am taking PQ as base, that is 5.5 centimeter. Method will remain same, no change, just label it as PQ, then write the measurement 5.5 centimeter over here. After that you have to open your compass 6.5 centimeter, then taking Q as center you have to mark an convenient arc. It's okay. In the previous question first of all we constructed the angle. It's up to you. You can mark the arc first for the second side, or you can draw the angle as well. So here it's QR 6.5. Now make an angle of 40 degree at Q. Just put the pin, put your D at point Q and draw here an angle of 40 degree. Since our 0 is pointing towards left side, so here this is 0 and this is the 40 degree angle. Then again draw a line passing through this point starting with Q. Then join P with this point. Here again make a hole at the point of intersection. Then join P with this third point. And what is this third point? PQ. This is R, and this is our ray of the angle. This angle measure 40 degree. So don't forget to write over here that the measure of this angle is 40 degree. Now we have to measure the third side. Again with the help of scale we have to measure the side. Before that, write down QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now measure the third side. So as you can see, it's 4.3 centimeters. So write over here 4.3 centimeter. So this is the end of the session. In the next session we will talk about RHS and ASA triangle construction. So don't forget to join me in that session. Till then, bye bye, take care.